Don't waste your money in the stock market. There is much confusion amongst people when they touch on the subject of stocks and the stock market. Yet, just like any other subject in life, the more you know, the easier it becomes to grasp. If you take time to read about the stock market, then you should have no problem finding success in it. Lucky for you, this video is a great place to start. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease and less people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. Hopefully, with the knowledge you gained about the stock market, you're starting to feel a bit confident about where you plan on investing your money. Just remember to always know what you're getting into before you start. Be a bit cautious, but at the same time, don't be afraid to take a risk. Learn from your mistakes, because it's the only way you'll find any success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.